All right, everybody, you have made a box for your basic automata. Now we're going to create a handle. I could start in my basic automata drawing file and create a handle there, or I could do it separately. And for this, I'm going to do it separately. So I'm just going to make a handle, and of course I need to start with a new sketch. I'm going to make a circle. It's going to be 0.25. So the handle needs to fit into the hole of the box. The hole is 0.25, so I'm going to make the handle 0.25. My box is 5 inches wide, so I'm going to make my handle about 7, just to give it an inch on both sides to kind of hang up. I'm going to finish that sketch. Extrude 7. Okay. Now I need to have something to turn the handle with, so this is the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a new sketch, and I'm going to pick the end of my handle here. Okay, pick the end of your handle, so it's like you don't have to use the join command. You just, if you pick it, it's going to become part of that part. Okay, I'm going to do a rectangle. Now I'm going to do a different type of rectangle for this. I'm going to do a center rectangle. About like that. Let's make this 3 by 5. Oh, by 0.5. Go 3 by 0.5. Let's do better. Okay. Okay, let's finish this sketch. Press pull it, and let's make it 0.25, just to keep them consistent. Now look, I missed picking the handle here, so let's undo that. Redo the extrude. Pick both 0.25. Now I don't like this being centered like this, and I know some of the examples do have that, but I would rather have the handle definitively be turned from one side or the other. So I'm going to use press pull, which is right here. And I'm just going to pick this side right here, and I'm just going to push it up until it looks about right. So that's 1 inch, -1 is the input, and click OK. All right, now I need a little handle to grab onto up here, so I'm going to do another circle. Sketch, pick right on the rectangle, make another circle here. How big do you think the circle is going to be? 0.25. Keeping it consistent. Extrude this to handle, so I'll need like 1.5. There's my handle. Save it. All caps for my file name. All right, so there's my handle for my automata. I have it saved. You see it's in my data panel now. I could have done this in the same drawing as my basic automata,